Hey there, my YouTube followers. How are you doing? My subscribers and all y'all. I just wanted to take a quick moment and bang out a clarifying video for my Facebook group. I have a closed Facebook group currently called Angelo Lyons ... Mal for short. Wanted to not just invite you to come along. It is closed, so if the rules are still the same, no one can see you're in it. I like the anonymity part of it. I don't mind not being anonymous. It's my own fucking group, right? But just to give you a little quick background, the group was started about a year ago. Last year, around this time, I was finishing up a book called Words of Grace from a Professional Witch. It was my second ebook. It is a book that writing it saved my life, put me in touch with the process and practice of working with the different graces, the grace of humility, hope, endurance, fortitude. There's so many of them that actually kind of really saved my life after pretty much a career implosion where the places where I had been working and serving and teaching for over a decade just completely disappeared, and other offers that were made were not what they appeared to be. As a result, that book, I was really guided while putting the pieces of my life and my career together after a rather nasty dark night of the soul, necessary of the soul, but a dark night of the soul, came the inspiration for that book, and the gods sent me my beloved editor, Jill Schweitzer, who wrote the first one with me, edited my first book, Spell Ingredients. Everything's down in the description box below if you want to check them out. But as a result of writing Words of Grace, I started a new closed Facebook group called Words of Grace from Mark A. Lyons, or by Mark A. Lyons. And it's been great. We've been doing weekly streams. We started out doing live streams as events, as I am a spiritual teacher as well as a spiritual counselor. Met a lot of new people through there, as well as kind of solidified a little bit of my base here locally on Long Island and New York in general. So over the past couple of months, when I've been developing my YouTube channel, right, and doing these readings, which I never thought I was going to do, but, you know, the gods will have their way. The divine plan being squirrely as it is, we don't really know, but I'm really having a great time doing it. But as a result, I had to pull some focus back from the Facebook group, not streaming there as often, because, you know, there's only so much creativity a person has in one day, no matter how avid you are and how much fun and creative it is, because it really is for me. I love doing the readings, but and now opening up that I'm going to be working out of Yogaholic in 2 locations, Santa Mauritius and Riverhead on Long Island, doing not just private classes, but eventually workshops and weekly classes or whatever. My schedule is changing as a result, so I thought, why not change the Facebook group? It's now called, as I said, Mark Angelo Lyons ... Mal for short. It's a place for my friends, for my clients, for my students, for just people around the world, or whatever's left outside of around the world, I don't know, wherever you're from, that you'd like to connect with me on a little bit deeper basis, right? It's Facebook, so it's easy enough for us to communicate with each other in private messenger. I do lots and lots and lots of readings on Facebook Messenger from people, and the video messenger is great because it's really face-to-face. I use a different camera than the one I'm using now. This is my HD camera. I usually use a webcam. Yeah, I definitely use a webcam or when I do a reading on my laptop. But the group is a lot of fun. Like, I have to say, I'm glad that we did it for the past year's Words of Grace. We literally just changed the name a couple of days ago. I'll pop up some pictures so that you'll know it. But yeah, it's kind of fun. I mean, Words of Grace was a book that I wrote, and it's a book that I loved writing, and it's a book that a lot of people have benefited from. It's essentially a book of prayer, kind of, sort of, but it's in my voice. So it's kind of fun, and a little irreverent here and there, although I don't say the word fuck a lot in it, but don't worry, Words of Grace, I say. Not Words of Grace, what's the next one? Path of True Love, that's coming next year. There'll be plenty of F-bombs in that one, I'm sure. Taking a break from that to do all of this video work that cropped up out of nowhere. Yeah, I was halfway through writing a book when the world of the YouTuber called to me. So, you know, just kind of doing my Virgo thing, Pisces moon, following my path, so I just wanted to invite you along. I am going to be doing more in the Facebook group because I like the format. I like the closed format that people have to subscribe to join. We get to know each other a little bit more. People are making friends in that group from around the world, which is kind of cool. People I've known for years are meeting other friends of mine from other places on Facebook. It's kind of neat. My company, Drawing the Circle Productions, is specifically about that. It was about drawing together the different circles of people that I have in my life, because even though I am a Virgo with a Pisces moon, not necessarily the most social creature on planet Earth, I am a Leo rising Mars conjunct. So I have had a very strong social life throughout my career, met thousands of people, served indirectly hundreds of thousands of people, because every person that you touch, they touch other people, and it multiplies that way. So what a wonderful opportunity. I figured what I do is every now and again I do like a hit and run meditation, right? Where I just like come into the group 3 a.m. because sometimes that's when spirit hits me. I'm self-employed. My boss says, do it, right? So there'll be just different content there, some of which will be duplicated for YouTube, but I feel like there's a lot of it that's not going to, particularly if we're doing a lot of chats amongst us. I think there's stuff there that's just not meant to be made public in that way, hence a closed group. Cool. So that's about it. The link is, of course, in the description box below. Please do check it out. There's no obligation to join whatsoever. You can jump out at any time you like. But it is kind of set up as, you know, sort of a community thing for people to connect with me. Also probably easier to get in touch with me on Facebook than anywhere else, because goes right to my phone. Oh, and I'm getting a new one in January. I don't want it to. So yeah, that comes right to my phone that way. So yeah, doing my best as President Mark Angelo Lyons, Mal for short, president of Drawing the Circle Productions, professional witch, professional intuitive, and damn happy to be doing this work, and very, very happy to invite you to join my Facebook group. Cool. Thank you so very much for your time. I am going to get back to doing, what are we doing now? The soulmate reads. I'm doing them from Pisces to Aries. Aquarius is just finishing uploading now, so I'll get that out obviously before this one, but then I'm back at it. Cool. Love you all so much. Thank you for subscribing, and if you have not yet, please do. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can do super live chat. And as I've promised, and there's a video I bet in the description box below about I promised to do drunk tarot once a month for a couple of months. Go watch that vid. That one's fun. I very rarely watch my own stuff more than once or twice for edits. I really enjoy that video, that drunk tarot one, so please do check that one out as well. Like and subscribe. Cool. Thank you so much. Wishing you the very best of the holidays. Hope to see you in the group. You hit subscribe, I'll let you in. Cool. But for now, as always, hail, farewell, and blessed be.